In this video, I am explaining how to find the list of palindromes from list of words by using normal function as well as anonymous function. So as a part of my logic, I would like to take two functions. One is def. I will take a function name called read values. This is a function I will take it. I'll write some block of statements here how to read the data. I will take one more function which is comes under normal function. This is a normal function. Next I will take it one anonymous function also I will take it. I'll take one anonymous function also. Anonymous function also I will take it. That anonymous function will find whether the value is palindrome or not. That function name is called what? Find a palindrome. I will take this logic, I will do it. Generally, palindrome logic is find palindrome is equal to lambda is a keyword. Lambda is a keyword. There I will take get one word, colon, I'll write it word is equal to word of extended slicing, I will use it. This is called palindrome logic, but I will use here ternary operator, I will write it. It returns if it is true, that value will be returning. But here I want to return a palindrome word. So in this case it is returning either true or false, but I want to return the word. So I will rewrite my lambda function, that is the palindrome function, in this way. So I'll write it here, find palindrome, PAL, I can write it, is equal to lambda, I will take a word, I will write a ternary operator. You can continue the logic here. I will write it here. Word, if word is equal to, word of extended slicing. Else, I can write it, just one space I will return. This is a logic for anonymous function or lambda function. Here, I will read list of values. I'll write the code here for reading the list of values. This reading the list of values I'll be sending as an input to this lambda function. This I will show you by writing some sort of code. And I will execute and I will show you. The main importance is how to decide the word is a palindrome or not. Let us take this data. Def, first I am defining this function. Read values. I am taking read values. There I am going to take up. I am asking enter how many number of values. Input of enter how many values. How many values you want. There I will take it. If NOV less than or equal to 0, I will return empty list. Else, I can say, I want to read the values. So that I'll take it. One empty list I will take it. Here I am taking. Why I am taking empty list? To preserve my values in that. For I in range of NOV. There I want to get it. Word is equal to input of enter first word, second word, like that I want. I can say enter a value. There I am writing dot format of I can write it. That word I will go for appending to list. LST dot append of word. So after finishing that, I will say return word, I can write it. Return word, I wrote it. This is related to the reading values. I'll write a main program, and at the same time I'll define anonymous function also. I'm saying here find palindrome is equal to lambda word, I'm writing colon. I'll use a ternary operator word. When the word I will return, if the word is equal to reverse of the word, this will give you checking the reverse of the word with the original word. Else, this is I'm returning just like one space. This is my anonymous function. This is my anonymous function. Normal function as well as anonymous function. Well, come to the main program. Main program I am going to take up, call the read values. Words is equal to, I am going to call it as read values function. I will take it. The read values function can take either empty or non-empty. Print of words for your testing purpose. You can have it. You can write this now. Here I can say LST here. Let us run this code. Now here I am writing. Say this now. I'll say here. Somewhere else there is a syntax mistake. A lambda word, and I can say here else. Word of colon say here colon -1. Here I am writing colon -1. So here you try to run it. See this. Run this now. I say -4, empty list is returning. You run again. It is called 0, you enter. It is the value returning empty list. You say number 5. You say number 4. HTML and then Python, and next is called literal, and next is called mom. In this, all values are returning. Some of the values are non-palindrome and some of the values are palindrome here. Okay, let us find these words. These words I'll pass it to find pal. Find pal, but I need to send value by value. How do you send the value by value? And moreover, if I want to send these words, first of all, words should not be it should not be empty. I'll write a logic here. Ln of words is equal to 0. I'll write it here. Print of list is empty. List is empty. No operation can be performed. No operation can be performed. No operation can be performed. I'll say here else. I'll say here else, and here I'm going to pass it simple. For word in words, I'm sending each and every word. I'm going to pass it that word, particular word I'm going to pass it to this find pal. It is going to return res. That res can be either space will come or palindrome word will come. That space, if res is dot space, res is a string word. If it is space, you write not res dot e space and add that to palindrome list. Append of word and take one pl as an empty list. PL as an empty list. PL is equal to an empty list. With this, all the values are written. Else part, I will write print of list of palindromes. List of palindromes. If space is coming, I am not adding print of what here? PL. Let us run this code and see this beauty of this coding. Enter number of values, 5. Enter the data. It is coming, enter 0 value. You can say enter first value also. After this, I will show you that. Python and Java and literal, and next is called mom, and say HTML, and see the data. We are getting is space. So the word is space, spelling mistake is coming here. Is space, yes, space. And at the same time, I want to get it here, and I will say here, if I plus 1, I will write it for getting more user friendly. Let's run this code and say 5 and number 1 Python, number 2 mom, and next is called dad, and say literal, and say here HTML, and see the data. I'm getting mom, dad and little. If we run it, here I'm writing enter 6 words, Python, and next is called Java, C, HTML, and say here radar, and say C++. This is the value. Only one C language and radar. C reverse is also C, radar is also like this. This is the code for finding palindrome from list of palindromes by using anonymous function and normal function. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe and like and share Naresh IT channel.